For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Hey friends, have you ever wished your home could just clean itself? I did too until I tried the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum, and wow, it's the closest thing to that dream. After a month of using it daily, I can confidently say it's not just another robot vacuum. It's a smart, hard-working little helper that actually delivers. Powerful suction that gets it all. From the first run, I could tell this thing means business. The Shark AI Ultra picked up pet hair, crumbs, and even fine dust from both carpets and hard floors. I tested it after a weekend get-together and my dog shedding marathon, and the results were impressive. Floors looked like I had just deep cleaned them myself. Self-emptying base equals true hands-free cleaning. Here's my favorite part. The bagless XL self-empty base holds up to 60 days of dirt. I didn't have to empty it once for nearly 2 months. No bags, no masks, no extra costs. For someone who hates dealing with dust bins, this alone makes it worth it. Self-cleaning brush roll for pet owners. If you've got pets, this feature is gold. The self-cleaning brush roll doesn't get tangled. Seriously, my old vacuum used to choke on my dog's hair, but this one keeps going. I've been using it daily for a week straight, and not once did I have to cut out hair from the roller. Laser mapping that actually works. The 360-degree LiDAR mapping is super accurate. It quickly scanned my home, avoided obstacles, and even cleaned efficiently at night without bumping into things. I loved being able to set no-go zones and specific room cleanups through the Shark Clean app. Total control from my phone. Voice commands that make life easier. This is where it gets fun. I can literally say, "Alexa, clean the living room," and it starts right up. The Shark Clean app also lets me schedule cleans and track performance, which feels like having a cleaning assistant I can command anytime. After a full month of testing, I can honestly say the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum is worth it. It's reliable, smart, and low maintenance. Exactly what busy homes need. Whether you're tired of daily sweeping or just want a cleaner home without effort, this robot doesn't disappoint. It's one of those gadgets that actually makes life easier, not just cooler.